welcome back to Scrapbooks Made Easy with Beth. Today I have a simple page I'm going to show you using the jumbo circle, part of the custom cutting system if you haven't used that. I am also using the secret box that just came out. So if this is a must-have, reach out to me. I do have a few extras. It is really pretty paper, and I love that every one of the papers has a cutout on the back of it or a border or something that you can use. I thought that was a pretty cool addition to every single page, along with some beautiful stickers. So it is called Sweet Blossom, and it also has an exclusive punch. All right, so what we're going to do today, oh, one more thing. Fun little titles. Happiest here, I love us, the best moments, home, so lucky to be here, and you are everything to me. So we will incorporate one of these into our page today. All right, first thing we're going to do is take our brown sheet of paper, and this could be any paper. You don't have to use a Sweet Blossom, obviously. I like to square it up on my mat so I know that I'm getting this directly in the middle, because once you've cut this, you can use this outside piece for something as well. So I just kind of look to see at my 6. You can use the center 0 ring ruler if you would like to also, but I just kind of make sure that I am in the center, just like I said, if you wanted to use that piece. These little pegs fit into the track setter here. So you want to make sure both are in the track. If not, you rip your paper, and then you're just going to spin this around. We have circles, ovals, gemstones, the jumbo. All right, you saw my paper move, so you know we went all the way through. So like I said, now this could be on the other side of the paper with this, so you have matching. I am not going to use that, but now what I'm going to do is take this, and I want to cut it in half. So one nice feature about our cutting system is at the bottom here, if you put a circle in there and let it just fall flat, it will cut it directly in half. So because this has a pattern on it, I want to make sure that I'm cutting it straight, that the patterns are going up and down. You can see where it's off just a little bit. I really want to be precise with this. All right, I'm still in my little groove there, and now I'm just turning this to where it's straight. So you can kind of look at this and see how much of that, and then cut it down, and you have a perfect circle. I love that about that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this aside for now, and I'm going to use an opal shimmer, and that's going to go on the side of my page. And then I'm going to use the aquamarine, and I want to cut this 6 by 12. And this is so easy. I'm making all the contents to make it a double page spread. So this is going to be 6 by 12. And again, it's just what I need for this to be a double page spread. So I'm going to stick that there. You could cut some of that opal off if you wanted to save some paper. And then I'm going to put this one up against it. So this one will go right in the middle. If you did cut it not straight, you could tuck it under a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to take, I think I like the contrast on this one. So I'm going to turn this because I like to put my stickers on sideways. I can see better. Pull that off, and that's going to go all the way and cover up most of that seam. Oop. Come this way just a little bit. All right, now that's covered up, so I'm back to that. And now I think I'm gonna use this color here to cut some photo mats. So I like to use 4x4s, 4x6s. So what that means then is I'm gonna have to cut this at 4 inches. And then if I turn it and cut it at 4, and now I can bring my leg out, and now I have a little extra piece if I wanted to cut out with the punch. So I'm gonna put a 4x6 here. These will be my frames. 4x6 there, and you know what, I'm gonna do it one more time. So 4 inches. And then like I said, I can use these on the other side as well. Turn it to cut out my 4x4. I love the 4x4s, and now that we have 4x4 peekaboo pockets, it makes it a lot of fun to stack pictures on top of each other. So then I have another 4x4 and another 4x6. So these I would put right here. And then you can have one of these fun little titles. That one's a little big for that. You know, that would be cute on top of the picture just a little bit. Or if you're symmetrical, you could have the "So Lucky to Be Here." I tend to make very symmetrical pages. Or you could do "I Love Us" or "Home." I think I like that one. Just play with it and see what you like. And then we have some fun stickers here that we could, let me put this one down, that we can stack. So you would be able to, let's see, using this color, it has to contrast that color. Let's use this color. So that I'm gonna put one here. I'm leaving enough room to put a photo under there. And then I can also take another color and put it on top of it. And then take one of the little colors. I think I'm gonna bring the opal in. You could put foam squares if you want to on there, but you can have that there. Let's go ahead and put these down. I love the repositionable tape runner. If you had it wrong, you can change it. So this one looks like it's a little crooked. And then I could do the same thing if I tilted that a little bit up in the corner. I could put another cluster up here. It does have some really cute stickers with it. And it also has this fun punch. So let's play around with some of the things that we can get out of the punch. So if you hold it upside down, you can punch this way so you can make sure that you're not wasting anything. Ooh, that's kind of fun to get that in the middle. So I have a couple punches there. I could grab one of the other colors. Here's where you could also use your scrap from this if you weren't going to use it a different way. And now I could put down this color, or I could put that on top of it, and then I could put the little dot from, oops, wrong one, the little dot from that one too. So you can play around with the colors. I'm liking the stickers better on this particular page, or maybe it's just the paper that I picked out. Or there's some fun stickers. So you could also put a fun home, remember it all, the best. You could somehow decorate that a little bit. I'm gonna play around with that. But that's all you have to do, and you can repeat the same thing on the other side. I have the other piece of that to go on the other piece of that. So very easily, you can turn this into a double page spread. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.